really passionate about this, and my mission, honestly, is to touch 1 million lives before brand Mona fades away.
Hello and welcome to Rabbi Rashi Foundation. Do you want to find your passion, increase your confidence, break through fear, handle your emotions better, set motivating and achievable goals, overcome perfectionism, get focused, improve productivity, manage stress, develop healthy habits, and create a new life for yourself? Then, Mona Babla, a certified life coach, is the person you need to be in touch with. Mona Babla, an ICF certified life coach, an NLP practitioner, mindfulness practitioner, a blogger, and a speaker. आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है मोना जी.
Thank you.
Tell us about brand Mona Babla first of all and how this journey started. Over to you.
I started my journey in the corporate field as a company secretary. And when I started off in a very young, very early part of my journey, I realized I was not cut out for a 9 to 5 job. So I started introspecting and deciding and wondering where I could be. My passion was always human psychology. And I realized that people are driven by their emotions, and these emotions lead them to their thoughts and behaviors. So, intrigued with all this, I wanted to make a space where I could help people connect with their true self, with their emotions. And in order to be able to do this, I first became an NLP coach, and gradually I added various things into my kitty. I am also an applied positive psychology coach, like you said, a mindfulness practitioner. All these things help me actually conduct a very customized life coaching sessions, because without all that it's not possible. And today I would say that I have actually coached and empowered thousands of lives all over the globe and channelize them towards an inspired living. In during the life coaching sessions, what happens is there's a lot of productive work done. There is this mental block that you have, there is a desire for change, everything that you're not able to achieve. So, as per the requirement, with the help of brand Mona Babla, I have now brought all this into a place where people just know where to go in order to take their life to the next level. Turning point in life came with the death of my very dear childhood friend. So while I was going through the process of self healing, I realized there are many around who are not able to heal themselves, let alone that they're not even able to realize that they need help. And that's why I decided that I want to help people come out of this bubble, come out of this comfort zone, and find themselves to be a better version of themselves. So I absolutely got into coaching with the whole idea that I will not just heal, I will let the world heal and transform themselves. And it is something which is very close to my heart because lot of us don't have a safe space. So I wanted to create a safe space for them to explore their emotions with all honesty so that they are able to come out of them a whole emotional burden and identify and discover the new self. So I'm really passionate about this, and my mission honestly is to touch 1 million lives before brand Mona fades away.
And we wish you never fade away. The concept itself is absolutely wonderful, Mona. What exactly is NLP in a very layman language? You tell our audience. Secondly, with COVID around, what is NLP's role 2021? Over to you.
NLP ideally stands for Neuro Linguistic Programming. It's a whole concept just created by Dr. Richard Bandler. And with the help of NLP, what we really do is use our language in a very conscious manner to change people's thoughts and behaviors. So NLP is used in a lot of psychological disorders like anger, anxiety, post-traumatic stress, depression, any kind of addiction. So there are a lot of things that will actually help with NLP. And like you said, COVID-19 has changed our lives completely. 2020, we were still hoping for things to change. We're still adapting to new norms. 2021 has brought a lot of confusion. Will we ever go back to normal? So it's a time to break through this normal. Now, what happens is In the NLP, we work a lot on our belief system. Okay, our belief system is made way back in our childhood by our parents, our peers, our friends, and everybody who decide what our life should look like for us. So today, we all have a certain belief system, and we live by that. In order to start a new beginning and a new way of living, what we really need to do is create a whole new belief system. With the help of NLP, you can explore your old belief system and strengthen a new belief system so that you can be more resilient and you can move forward from this point onwards.
Talk to us about your different workshops and the benefits of those workshops. How can you help people with businesses, corporates, and personal level?
So I conduct various kinds of workshops. On a corporate level, what we do is we decide the company goals and try to merge them with the individual goals. So in the corporate workshop, what ideally happens is we try to bring everybody in sync and take them towards the same goal. On a personal level, which is my favorite place because I like it to work with individuals, right? I conduct a lot of workshops, one of them being a power of you, where we actually explore our inner selves, our possibilities, our subconscious mind. All of this resigned to the fact of what we are. You know, we dream one morning that we can be something, but we also decide, oh, we can't do it. You know, you don't explore yourself. You're not ready for challenges. So when we talk about unleashing your inner view, it's a time when we actually work towards exploring yourself. In 3 hours, you have actually had a direction for a whole new life. I also conduct workshops for anger, for anxiety, and vision boarding. One other favorite topic of mine. It's sad we can't do physical at this moment, but during vision boarding, you actually identify your goals, which are realistic, which are achievable, and these short-term goals become very meaningful and make your life purposeful. So it's just a fun place, not just a fun place, but it also channelizes you in a whole new direction. So these are some of the workshops I conduct, and I can also do any other which anybody wants. You know, it's like it can be done personalized also.
Too much of, spacious work, I would say. What is your success mantra? Let me put it like that.
My success mantra is very, very simple. It says, I can and I will. Because you got to believe in yourself. You don't need the whole world to believe in you. If you believe in yourself, you can actually go ahead and achieve everything you want. And most importantly, if your belief system is in place, you know what your success is. You can actually identify your success and go towards it. Because I believe success happens twice, once in a mind space and once in reality. So if you haven't chosen your success, how are you going to choose a path? So envision your success, paint a picture, and go towards it. Obviously, with the mantra, I can and I will. That belief system is very important. It has to be so strong that you're able to overcome every single challenge and not setback.
We would want you to suggest a special NLP workshop for women. If you could suggest one workshop that you're offering to such women who are 40 plus and going through menopause, what would it be?
So by the time the women touch 40, what happens is they have lost their purpose in life. The kids have grown up. Probably if they were working, the boredom has kicked in. So this is a time when you really want to explore yourself, find your whole. I have had women at 40 plus who have sat down and they've been in family businesses and now they're done with. So during my sessions, what we do is we try to identify what more they want from their lives. What could they not do when they were younger? And during this workshop, we use a lot of tools and techniques which are based out of NLP and APP, and we help them identify the new possibilities. This will give them a new lease of life, a new dream, a new hope, and help them overcome menopause and all kinds of emotions.
Mona, with the COVID around, you think that are you offering any therapies, healing therapies for people who have gone through a lot of crisis during COVID?
You are going through COVID, you go through an isolation process, which is something which is so unfamiliar, so new. You are not able to connect with meet your friends, your family. And this is the time which creates a lot of mental stress. Now, it's not just the mental stress, it also gets you in introspection mode. You start questioning your reality, you start questioning what next. So, during this time, I help my clients actually go through a whole transformation process and build a resilience, giving them small tips and techniques every day. Because we want to make transformation and change them more permanent. They don't have to be something which has happened today and gone tomorrow. A lot of my clients have also faced social anxiety post COVID, fear of death. That has become one place because not just you have had a near-death experience, you probably experienced the death of your family or people around you, and all this actually adds to your stress, the mental stress. So yes, through life coaching sessions, we explore and we make sure that these don't become very deep-seated. They should not become a limiting belief. We need to overcome this emotion and not hide them or bury them. So during my coaching sessions, I help my clients face them, adapt to them, and overcome these so that they can actually go through a new life.
Progress, joy, and success is what people now are looking at. Change the way you see things, and the things you see will surely change. Get in touch with Mona Babla. I think this is the time when you can reach out to people. Because when things are good, you're just doing your business or you're just enjoying your life. The actual healing process is whether you need it or not. Just a conversation can let you know a lot about you. And that is what Mona is offering. Get in touch with her. Her details are available in this feed and on this video.